So this is quite possibly the best idea ever. I was able to dye my seats black and a lot of my interior trim black. And then I also spray painted the beams here black and the top black, flat black, and the door panels black. Give it a kind of a new feel to it. It was previously kind of a beige color, cashmere. Got these panels as well. The handles, spray paint. This is a fabric here, so I had to use dye. Luckily this area was also black already, and so I kind of mixed in. A little overspray there. That comes off with mineral spirits. Very cool. Pretty good job. I'm pretty pleased with this. Even this little console here. Some of this. So this was done with Tulip dye spray. You can give your car a whole new feel. And have it look cleaner for a longer period of time because it's black. And the bird was not harmed in the painting of this vehicle. It looks like leather from the exterior.